Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the video I wanted to make since my previous car, 2016 BMW Mineral White, and the reason why it's there. I just put all the M Performance parts on my exterior and it transformed the car tremendously. It makes the car really look much better. I believe BMW should have put some parts there as an option when you buy your car, but they want you to pay the products. BMW offers a lot of M Performance parts for your M3, M4, even M5, M6 and M2, of course. The main parts for the front now we will start are the actual carbon fiber splitters and the M Performance lip. The splitters are standard carbon fiber. You can get them alone without the lip on the bottom, but I think it makes the car looks incomplete, and I prefer it stock versus just the splitters alone. I choose to have the actual front lip in matte black finish, same as the rocker panel on the side plate of the car. I think they match it. Two reasons why I don't like carbon on carbon. First off, the look, it's way too much for me, really. Number two is they don't really match the front and the side, you will see now. Three is the price, and it's way too expensive, really, just for a lip. And since it's so low to the floor now, to the ground, it will catch a lot of stone chips that we can't avoid, even with the PPF and all the stuff. So, no for me. But of course, I think the carbon parts and the M parts on the Sapphire Orange look fantastic, guys. You must see it in person. And of course, all the competition package, 16, 17, I believe, and now 18, they come with this blackout parts, front grille, sides, and the M4 logo in the back. So it's all black now. Okay, guys, another part that makes the car looks fantastic is the side plate, or the rocker panel, I believe they call them. First, they make the car looks a bit wider, and they complete the part. You have to be careful when opening the door, closing the door, don't step on it, because it's actually screwed from the bottom, so it's easy to lose it. And it seems it catch a lot of stone chips, so it protects the car, which is I really like. So it makes the car looks 3D-dimensional. Moving to the rear, guys, probably one of the most important updates, if you're looking, of course, to put the M Performance parts for your car, is to put it on the rear at the beginning, because it's just so plain from BMW. I really like the looks, but it's incomplete. It doesn't mean it's bad design or not designed well, but just incomplete. In my 2016 car, what I did is I actually put all the black parts, make it look like a competition, include the logo and the front grills and the sides as well. Then put that wing, because I believe it makes the actual car look stands out. It followed the lines from the bonnet all the way to the carbon fiber roof, going there to the trunk, and the wing actually matches. So it actually improved the aerodynamics of the car. Now, there's no really evidence that it makes it faster, but it just flowed better. It looks great, beautiful design. And you can see a lot of actual, manufacturers now, they're implementing that design. Probably they're gonna, like the Alfa Romeo, even Mercedes, BMW are very good at making the performance parts. Carbon fiber, of course. Guys, car keep getting better. It sounds much better now. Done over 6,000 kilometers already. I will make a proper review about the car, since it's more than the first service. So, but in this video, I just want to talk to you about the M Performance parts. So lots of people ask me a question: if you like this car, how do you compare this car to the 2016? So that's 2018 competition. Well, if you have not driven a M4 before, or own one at least, you won't see much difference. So because on papers, you can have the best sports car in the world, and if you have not drive it, or at least own it, how can you tell the difference, man? You know what I mean? Sorry guys, just bear with me. I put it in comfort because this area is made from bricks, and the 2018 it have, or at least the competition, it have basically a 20-inch wheels, and it's a bit harder suspension. Do I see a difference here? Here I really do, but not by much. Listen to that, guys. I love the new competition, it sounds great. One update I might do in the future is the M performance exhaust, but the price is just too high, man. I really don't know if like I want to spend $10,000 plus installation, maybe around $11,500 here in UAE. Let's talk a little bit about the car for you guys there. They're looking to buy an M4 or they're interested to see the M4. That car is actually 6-cylinder inline 6, of course, twin turbocharged, 3.0 capacity. It produces 444 horsepower. That's 19 more horsepower from the previous model or the standard for now. The torque is 550 Newton meters. That's exactly as a standard. So what does it really make it special compared to the standard? Not everybody is fan of the new wheels, probably, because those are the 2666 available in silver or black. You don't really want extra power or don't care too much about the aesthetics of the car. Maybe the standard is okay for you because it comes with new LED lights, of course, the front and the tail lights. But the competition package offers so much more than the power, guys. To have almost a new suspension, honestly. New damping, new anti-roll bars, you know, even springs. So it does make a huge difference, you know, from the performance perspective and the way that it drives and feels on the road, and the way that it takes the traction, because the traction have been revised. And there's a lot of tweaks in the chassis that actually people will not really reveal it for you from BMW people. So going 116 on a small road that should go 60. Fucking bastards, guys, here. Really, guys, the drives here, they suck. Competition package offers more updates, of course. It offers the black parts that we have talked about from the exteriors. It offers as well the competition exhaust or sports exhaust, and it sounds great. And it offers two more things from the interior. The seats, which I believe they are the best seats I've ever sit in any car, guys. And the M performance or the competition seat belts, whatever, which are a little bit, you know, different with the stitching. Of course, since 2018 model, you get the new iDrive that it feels and performs 10 times better than the old one. The old one is just a list, so that one is pretty good now. Some people on the forums, they say the build quality is improved. Obviously it is. Since 2014 they released, end of 14, 15 they released the car, and now it's been almost 3 years in that cycle. 3 years, I believe BMW can do lots of tweaks here and there to make the car feel better. Even, you know, any manufacturers when it comes to that. There's some features that are coming standard, as the, you know, the carbon fiber trim, of course, and you have the reverse camera, if I'm not wrong, and the parking sensors are now for free, you know. It comes without any packages, whatever, executive package. But this car is fully loaded except the heating steering wheel and heated seats, which I found very dull option. Going 116 on a small road that should go 60. Bastards, guys, here. Really, guys, the drives here, they suck. If you don't know the M4 yet, or the M3, you should drive one, because believe me, you will love it. It doesn't sound that bad, or, you know, if fake or whatever, it's coming from the speakers. Don't forget, man, this is not Golf R, so the actual sound is coming really from that engine. I tend to start loving it more, and it seems all the other manufacturers are doing the same trick now, you know, VW, of course, Audi, Mercedes, whatever. Why should it be bad if the actual company trying to improve the experience as a driver? I don't think it's bad at all, you know. You get the performance, the looks, and the interior. Doing lots of research lately to check the competition. Yes, the Alfa Romeo is probably faster and more a complete car. From the reviewers, I never drove one here. Hopefully I can drive one soon. It's not easy to get one here, man, for a test drive, but we'll try our best. That's why I wanted to enjoy the car more now. I wanted to experience the car more, to see how it goes, how it compared to the previous one. And man, it's just fantastic. You get lots of thumbs up, people smiling at you, people, you know, sits on your back, people just want to overtake you, race you. That means that your car is good, your car looks good, and they know it's very fast. Not from just the looks, because it's so wide and, you know, it's like low to the ground, just low, and you drive this car perfectly fine though. Even it's that low, there's speed humps here, never had issue. Just make sure that you brake enough, don't go more than 5-4 kilometers on the speed hump, and even less if you can, depends on the speed humps in your own country. God damn it, man, it's lots of braking, you see what I mean? Just like, you really have to brake, you know. No wonder why I changed the brake in my previous car on 5,500 kilometers. You know, even I never raced it, never. So I reviewed the M Performance competition exhaust on the LCI and the competition. That Yas Marina Blue from my friend. There's 2 videos there, you can check it up, guys. You know, yes, it makes the car more aggressive and louder, and the best part, doesn't really change the tone of the car, it just make it better and louder. I wish BMW gave you that option, you know, that is to buy half. I wonder why. So BMW are always not very easy at giving up their parts for free, you know, or for little money, so you have to pay for everything, man. And mind you, we'll still talk about the exhaust and the exterior. We have not even mentioned the interior, because my interior is full stock, like really stock, nothing. I have done nothing. I might do the electronic steering wheel, which is all basically made from Alcantara, and you have the small screen and the digital, you know, cluster. I don't know what you call that, with the lights. So yeah, it's good. I saw it in the showroom the other day on the new 4 Series, and it's really good. The other steering wheel, the full Alcantara, just like exactly the same look and feel and size of that one. It's just made from Alcantara. They have it on the CS and GTS. So this one, you know, I love Alcantara, but I cannot justify paying, you know, I don't know how much, $800 just to have Alcantara instead of leather, if you know what I mean. The V2 steering wheel, it's a bit thicker from the side and made from Alcantara. On top is basically just standard leather, so it's good. Can you believe it? Talking to you guys, I missed my exit. I put the navigation, I know the roads here, at least the place I'm going to, but I did not even think about it. You know why? Because the braking period that it happened, you know, so it just made me concentrate more on overtake the other car. See what I mean? Sorry to say, lots of assholes, man. One more thing I want to say about the car, that you don't have to drive it very fast to enjoy it, you know, because there is a lot of torque and the sound is pretty good, even from the low RPM. Torque starts from 1800 to 250 all the way up, so it's always there for you, you know. Beautiful sunset today. I hope you like this video for today. Again, if you have not seen my previous videos from the 2016 BMW, just go my channel and check those videos out, and then come back to me here and tell me what you think about the new 2018 competition. Do you like the difference? Do you prefer the Sakai orange over the mineral white? Do you prefer the stock over the competition as well? Because some people, they don't like the wheels, so they say it's not worth it, and you know, it's a debate going since 3 years now, or 2 years. So that's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, and see you next time, man.